Guys, look. Mom, have you put batteries in it?
Batteries in what?
In the Cessna. In the Cessna. In the Cessna. In the Cessna. Well, guys, here comes. That's a Ryanair, guys, and that's a cargo bit. But here it goes. Guys, that big ever just took off. Now it's very incredible because, sorry about the fog, guys, the background. Sorry about the fog. Oh, here comes. That's Ryanair, guys. That's another Ryanair Boeing 737 Max. But we don't want Ryanair, don't we, guys? Yep, we don't want Ryanair. Whoa! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! A Ryanair Boeing 737 Max. Goodbye, guys.